Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to be doing a curbside video today where you're hitting that blue box and opting to drive to the store and pick up the items through your cell phone, desktop computer, tablet, and that is called a curbside pickup. Typically this method of shopping where you buy it through your phone and then drive to the store and pick it up, some of the merchandise is a little bit cheaper and some of it's exactly the same. So we're going to be looking at that. And happy 4th of July to all of my followers as well. If you missed it yesterday, we made a video talking about some inexpensive chips over at Walgreens. This deal is actually ending on the 4th as the digital coupon expires today. So if you want to get in on some very cheap chips for your cookout or for your summer barbecues, please check out this video. I'll link it at the very end. Okay, I want to talk quickly about some clearance that was popping off on social media this morning. If you go to your Walgreens app, go to the shop page and then go to the clearance, or just type in clearance and then look for some of this stuff. You might be able to find it in stock at your store, or you might just be in the boat with me and find nothing, because this is what's happening when I try to look for this stuff and none of the stores have it. You would try to get a pickup or to see what was in inventory, and everything's coming up gray. And a lot of the stuff that I was seeing, and I only know this because I'm in and out of the store so much, it's very old stock that was clearancing out at the beginning of spring, so last April. It might be slim to none to find this stuff, but if some of this stuff you're like, yes, I remember that, maybe go look at your store and ask for a price check. $1.79 for the Clorox wipes, $2.29 for this Pledge. A lot of this stuff, again, it was like early April, it was on clearance. So people are like, it's all there at the store, but I think it might be almost impossible to find this. And then this guy, for example, the quilted northern for $1.49. I remember that, and it's a 4-pack, right? I think that was March on clearance. So maybe the online has updated. But all this stuff, you can't order it online. You can't grab it as a curbside. So you'd have to go in store and look around. And I haven't seen any of these items in a really long time. But I know a lot of you are really good clearance hunters. If you want to go and look around, I would definitely look in the app and see what's on clearance in your area. And then see possibly, do you remember off the top of your head seeing any of this stuff in the clearance section, in the cleaning section? I remember early spring seeing this stuff, but it hasn't been in the store in months. Good luck, guys. Okay, guys, also a little bit of extra savings, and these are on items that are not part of a sales promotion. 15% off or 20% off with the following codes. And remember, it's for full price items. A lot of this sale stuff, it's not applicable. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, we are going to be grabbing some meat and potatoes items that include a Bounty paper towel for $8.99 and a CHARMIN also for the same magical price of $8.99. Now, this is all predicated that you didn't use the digital coupons that I'm going to show you because they've been appearing in the last week and they're of a one-time use. But if you've just been sitting on them and you're like, I really want to make a paper deal happen, by all means, but these don't expire till the end of September. We have a $2.50 off of the CHARMIN and then a $5 off of either the Bounty or the CHARMIN. So that is $7.50 in magical savings. And this is just a cheap paper deal this week. So as you can see, we have the $7.50 melting off, but looking at the overall balance, it's $17.98. Curbside pickup is free. $7.50 melting off for a total of $11.56. You know what I would personally do? Use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $1.56. If you need these paper products, if you're having a cookout with a bunch of family members and you're like, I need some paper right now. I mean, this might be a deal for you. But the coupons don't expire until the end of September. So like that Kenny Rogers song, if you want to hang on to those coupons, you can also do that as well. Okay, so the next deal that we have, again, I've got some paper on my mind. We're just going to look at another quick paper deal to grab 4 of these boxes of the Puffs tissue for $2.99 a pop on a BOGO 50% off. And then we're also going to grab some CHARMIN. Load the following digitals that include this 6 off of 4, a very unique coupon, but again, it doesn't expire till the end of September, so if you want to hang on to it, you can do that as well. And we have a $5 off of one of these CHARMIN toilet paper, so that's a really nice one too. And just to show you, we have $11 in digitals melting off, which is like a high value amount. And then looking at the overall basket, guys, $22.95. Curbside pickup is free, $11 melting off for a total of $13.33. I personally would use $10 of Walgreens cash and pay $3.33. You still have those allergies rocking and rolling. You know that Puffs is really priceless, so just a little quick deal. Okay, so this next basket is kind of like a mix and match of stuff. So the first item we're going to grab is 4 of the Puffs for $8.96 on a BOGO 50% off, and then 2 of the Lubriderms for $7.98. We're also going to grab 1 of the CHARMIN toilet papers for $8.99, and then 3 of the Dollar Spot Oral-B picks. We're going to load the following digital coupons. This is an IVC, and it's a $2 off of a Lubriderm, so it's going to apply twice. And we're also going to load this 2 off of 2 for those floss picks. There's also another $1 digital, but I don't have it to show it to you, so you could get more savings potentially. And then we have this 6 off of 4 for the Puffs. And we're moving it along here. We have the 5 off 2 for the Bounty. And I used my $1 for the floss picks in store. That's why I can't show it to you, just to explain that. Showing you all of the digital coupons. And if you look the second to the bottom, the Lubriderm, it's $4 because that's an IVC. So it's applied twice, just to explain that. Beautiful chorus line, and star 15 works because some of the items are not part of a sales promotion this week. So $28.93. $5.79 coming off, $4 for the Lubriderm, and then $1.79 for the basket. We have our tax and $13 in digitals for a total of $11.53. You know, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.53 and call that a deal. Okay, number 4, I swear it's getting easier. Let's look at a quick razor deal. Let's throw in one of the men's razors for $12 and one of the ladies' razors for $11. And we're going to load the following 2 digital coupons that include the $3 off for the ladies and the $3 off for the men's. Okay, so looking at this overall basket, our total is $23. Curbside pickup is free. Tax, $6 melting off, $18.38. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash. For every 2 razors you buy, you're getting back 10. And I believe for this one, you can roll your Walgreens cash. No problems, no issues. And here it is, buy 2, get $10 of Walgreens cash. So if you want to use Walgreens cash for this offer, I don't think it should be such a big problem. The final deal that we're going to look at, this one's going to be a really big one out of pocket. We're going to grab one of these fancy dancy Oral-B IOs for $79.99. I also have this booster loaded of 12 back when you spend $50, just to note that. And with this toothbrush, it's spend $50, get $15 back as well. So we have a $20 coupon, so make sure you have that loaded. And then just looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $79.99. Using that star promotion, that code, $12 off, free curbside pickup, our tax, the $20 digital coming off. So you're going to pay $52 with your debit card and get back $28 for the booster and the promotion of spend $50, get back $15 on this toothbrush. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.